To discover how the underworld syndicates operate, I went undercover as a British businessman. I was interested in buying inside information about fixers in test matches, the highest level of the international game. Elsewhere in Mumbai, I meet our second match fixer, Robin Morris. He tells me about another kind of fix he's carried out in India and Sri Lanka.
And I have people walking on the ground during the match. They keep sending us pictures and everything.
Gaurav Rajkumar is Morris's business partner. They bribe groundsmen to doctor cricket pitches to favour either bowlers or batsmen.
How much do you pay a groundsman?
Pay them 25 lakh rupees Indian.
For a groundsman, that's 8 years' salary for fixing one test match.
Well, what are the chances of that working? Is it like 90% chance, 80%?
100%, 200%.
Yeah.
Because the pitch is made by me.
I persuaded Morris to introduce me to one of his corrupt pitch curators.
What happens is, we can make a pitch whatever we want to do here. Right. So he is the main curator. Right. And he is the assistant manager and curator of the football stadium.
Taranga Indika oversees the condition of the pitch at Galle, where Sri Lanka play international matches. Indika explains how he prepares a wicket for bowlers.
And what do you do for that?
They were asking, okay, keep some grasses like 1 inch.
Yeah.
Here you cut all the grasses.
Tarindu Mendes is a professional Sri Lankan cricketer and another of Morris's accomplices.
Normally they were asking to put water like half an hour.
Yes.
So he will put only 15 minutes. And they were asking roll it to like half an hour. But he was rolling only 15 minutes. From there, they will make it turn, start turning, right? That's
So
why
it's
he
good for
makes-
spinners,
good
good for bowlers.
Yeah.
If you want to make a spinning pitch,
Yeah.
you don't put water. It's very dry.
So the ball turns and then it's typical for the batsman.
Yes.
And the game will not last 5 days.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
The match fixers have to get their work done before inspectors from cricket's governing body, the International Cricket Council, arrive to check the pitch.
Before the match, you have to do that. Because
When
from
I have to
after
do
match
anything
is
also.
going on, you can't do anything because that guy is also there. No one to.
These ICC inspectors.
Yeah.
But there is a technique that the ICC inspectors do not detect.
Because one thing you can do during the match, the brush thing.
You have to just do it slowly.
So
Yes.
While they do it, they press it and do it.
The extra pressure applied with the special brush damages the pitch and makes it more difficult for batsmen. Indika trusts only a few members of the ground staff.
Rangana, you've got the coin. Give it a spin. Heads is the call.
The groundsman says that for this match he made a pitch to favour batsmen. India had the advantage of batting first on a favourable pitch.
India wanting some quick runs here.
They scored a massive 600 runs in their first innings.
He's clobbered that to bring up 600.
Morris had bet on the first team batting getting a high score and made a handsome profit.
I did not expect to be here.
The groundsman said he also fixed an international match in the opposite way, making a pitch to help bowlers.
say if I like spin.
Edge to do that carry. Matthews claims it.
On a pitch stacked against them, the batsmen struggled. The win came after less than 2.5 days of the 5-day match.
Great catch. Karunarat. Bowl in. Karat strikes.
Morris had bet heavily that the match would end quickly. He made a substantial profit and was soon back home. Morris then introduces me to more international players willing to deliver fixes in his tournament. We have clients who are potential sponsors for the tournament, but my clients want assurances. If Robin gives you a script and a plan, you will follow it.
Yeah, of course, 100%. That's the plan.
Jivantha Kulatunga is a former international and coach of the Sri Lanka women's team.
We will execute the plan. That's not a problem.
Yeah.
He's still playing.
Still playing.
So we're all playing, still playing.
You're also playing, yeah? Yeah.
Still, I am on to
play
play for the T20.
Dilara Lokuatigi has played 11 times for his country.
We both played together in the same team.
When was that? In
2009.
Okay,
Canada
cool.
Cup. That's not a problem
Yeah.
because now we are not playing.
Both players are keen to do Morris's corrupt work.
You know, we can do it now without a hesitation. This is a professional matter, so it's not a big thing. Playing cricket for us is like brushing our teeth in the morning, right? But playing again to your plan is the easiest thing because no pressure for us.
Yes.
Underperform is easier than to perform.
Like Robin said, Robin will tell us what to do, we'll do that.
Okay.
Easy. We are here because of you.
Yeah.
So we'll look after you, you look after us. Simple.
Yeah, it's really about making money in the end.
Yeah.
In the end.
I was only telling you, then what's the problem?
During our last meeting with Morris, he revealed plans for his next fix involving the groundsman at Galle. He would doctor the pitch at a high-profile test match in November 2018. And when will the next one be?
England versus Sri Lanka.
The next one that he will doctor the pitch for is Sri Lanka versus England. The groundsman assures us that the Sri Lanka-England test match will not last the full 5 days. So if we said we wanted it over within 4 days, would he deliver?
I don't know when out there. That matters.
It's very exciting.